Okay, so we're from Michigan State University, and our project basically first we're going to identify whether it's metallic or non-metallic using an oil inductor. We have an RLC circuit. We can measure the time between a pulse in and a pulse out, so it's basically the phase angle. Aluminum will make the time shorter. Tin will make the time longer, and we can measure that. Anything else, it's either glass or plastic, and we have some force sensors underneath our drop-away floor, and we can set a threshold on that as well. So we don't have a bin for unsorted because our logic doesn't allow us to. So let's see what happens.
Okay, yeah. First we take our materials, we dump them all straight into the hopper. We will turn the switch on, and our hopper will theoretically dump one out one at a time into the D groove. Our wheel right here will kick the material into the chamber, signaling the light switch that something's in there. The proximity switch will then determine if it's metal or not metal. We also have a pressure sensor in there to determine between the heavier tin and aluminum and the heavier glass and plastic. And the flap will open, and hopefully the chute will be pointing towards the right bin and start over again.
To start off, we'll load all of our items into the hopper here, come down the chute, and then it'll come to these two pinchers. It'll start just pinching, and once an item falls in, we have a distance sensor that'll sense when something's there. So once it senses something's there, the pinchers will stop. Then the next test that we'll run is the plastics test. We have a LED and a photoresistor up at the top because the plastic's like 5 centimeters taller than everything else. After that test, we have a magnet, and on the inside of the magnet we have a pressure sensor. So if something ferrous is there, the magnet will press on it. We had an inductive sensor to test just for metal in general, but it broke this morning. So we got rid of our aluminum test, and then for our glass, it would have been everything but, so it would have just shot into the last one. But as you can see, since the aluminum and the glass don't work anymore, we just have unsorted. So.
It was at a V angle, so the material came down. We had a magnet, an electromagnet here with a switch attached to determine tin or steel. And then we have two lug cells on the bottom of the conveyor that would weigh it to get the glass. And then the aluminum, and plastic we were just going to go with unsorted. And then it has a flipper arms